لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك. Respected and honorable Hujjaj, as the sacred days of Hajj draw near, pause and reflect. You've been invited by the King of Kings. Among billions, He chose you, not by chance, but by divine selection. This journey is not just travel, it is transformation. You are not just visiting Makkatul Mukarramah, you are returning to the origin of your soul, where Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam stood in surrender, where Ismail alayhi salam lay in trust, and where Hajar alayhi salam ran in desperate hope, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala answered her with Zamzam, a mercy that will flow till today. Every step you take echoes with meaning. Ihram reminds you to strip away your ego, your identity, your status. The Tawaf whispers, your life must revolve around Allah Jalla Jalalu. The Sa'i, it cries out, keep striving, even when the path feels dry. Arafah promises today, sins are erased, hearts are purified. And Shaitan, he'll try, but in Mina, you will pick up those stones and say, you have no place in my life anymore. This Hajj, don't just go to the Kaaba, let your heart face it. Don't just wear white, become new, and don't just perform rituals. Live the meaning. Respected and honorable Hujjaj, because when you return, you don't bring souvenirs, you bring back something better, a soul like the day it was born. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant you an accepted Hajj, a Hajj Maqbool, a Hajj Mabrur, a pure one, and a life-changing experience. This is your call. Answer it. Labbaik, labbaik la sharika laka labbaik. Inna alhamda wa ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak.